In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to set up and customize your Chinese Horoscope Widget using the Divine API dashboard. This widget is a great way to provide personalized and detailed horoscope readings based on the Chinese Zodiac, helping your users explore insights about their personality, life path, and destiny. Let's get started. To begin, log into your Astrology dashboard by opening the login page in your browser and entering your registered email and password. Once logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard, where all your features and tools are accessible. On your dashboard, find the Widgets option in the left-hand menu and click on it. This will display a list of widget categories. From the list, select Horoscope and then click on Chinese Horoscope to access the customization and integration options for this widget. In the integration panel, you can choose from 3 options to integrate the widget into your website. The script code snippet allows you to embed the widget directly into your website's HTML. For platforms that support iframes, you can use the iframe code snippet. If you are using WordPress, the WordPress shortcode provides a seamless way to embed the widget into pages or posts. Once you've chosen your preferred method, copy the code and paste it into the appropriate section of your website. This step ensures the widget is live and functional. Next, let's customize the widget to match your website's design and user experience. Start by creating a new setting by clicking plus Create New Setting or edit an existing one. Give it a name like Chinese Horoscope Custom. You can personalize the design by selecting from pre-designed color themes like Serenity or Evergreen, or by customizing colors to match your brand. Choose fonts that suit your website's style, whether it's an elegant serif like Cormorant Garamond or a modern sans serif like DM Sans. For headings, add a title like Discover Your Chinese Zodiac and include a subheading that describes the widget's purpose, such as Explore detailed horoscope predictions based on the Chinese Zodiac and uncover insights about your destiny. You can also set a default Chinese sign, which will be displayed when the widget first loads. For example, you can choose Dragon or any other sign that fits your audience's preferences. Adjust the width of the widget to fit seamlessly into your website. You can select from small, medium, or large options depending on your page layout. Next, choose a horoscope layout for the Chinese Zodiac icons. You can display them as a single icon, in a grid, or as a scrollable carousel. Select the option that best fits your website design. Now, you can also customize the horoscope icon style. Simply click the drop-down menu under Horoscope Icon Style in the Settings panel and select your preferred style from the available options. As you make a selection, the changes will automatically update in the widget preview, allowing you to see how it looks in real time. Next, adjust the tab positions for categories like Growth, Health, or Wealth horoscopes. Use the drop-down menu to choose a position, whether it's at the middle or bottom of the widget. This gives you complete flexibility to ensure the widget aligns perfectly with your website layout. Additionally, you have the option to enable or disable category icons with a simple toggle switch, adding another layer of customization. You can further personalize the widget by choosing a category icon version. Select from multiple styles such as V1, V2, or V3, V4, V5, each offering a unique design for the category icons. This allows you to match the widget's look to your website's theme and provide a consistent visual experience. For the final touch, you can also customize the shape of category buttons. Choose between rectangle or square to match the overall design aesthetic of your site. These customization options ensure that your widget is not only functional, but also visually appealing and engaging for your visitors. Before finalizing, use the preview functionality to check how the widget looks on desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. Ensure the design, fonts, and layout remain consistent across all platforms. Once you're satisfied with the customization, click Save to apply your changes. Then, return to the widget overview to copy the integration code for embedding on your site. That's it. You've successfully set up and customized your Chinese Horoscope widget. This powerful feature enhances your website. If you have any questions or need assistance, our support team is here to help. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.